Hi, I'm Adan Kumar. I'm working in Spyro Solution as a .NET developer. Let's move on. A secure cloud computing based framework for big data information management of smart grid. In this paper, we study about the smart grid as a technology innovation that improves the efficiency, readability, and economics and sustainability of electricity services. It plays a crucial role in a modern technology infrastructure. The main challenge of smart grids, however, are how to manage different types of front-end intelligent devices such as power assets and smart meters efficiently, and how to process a huge amount of data received from these devices. Cloud computing technologies provides a computational resources and demands. It is a good candidate to address these challenges since it has the several good properties such as energy saving, cost saving, and agility, scalability, and flexibility. In existing system, proxy re-encryption, let's say proxy to transform a ciphertext produced under a alias public key, such a way to the transformed ciphertext can be decrypted under the another party Bob private key. In a proposed system, a cloud computing based framework for big data information management in a smart grid, which provides not only the flexibility and scalability but also security features. We present a security solution for the proposed framework based on identity-based encryption and the proxy re-encryption scheme, which provide the secure communication service for the smart frame. In existing algorithm, we are using the private key extraction algorithm. In proposed algorithm, we are using the IB encryption and decryption algorithm. Identity-based encryption and signature and identity-based proxy re-encryption, providing information secured for the smart gates. It's a very important since much of the information in smart grids is sensitive and needs to be strictly protected. Drawbacks of the existing system in accurate using for the private key and extraction and data should be carefully maintained. An advantage of our system is that in accurate using the encryption and decryption method, we can store the data normally and efficiently. This is the overall structure for our project. In the power station, it's coming all electricity information, and then home, and we are using the electricity information. It all information will be stored into the information storage. We are using the big data concepts. In this software equipment or operating systems, Windows 8.1. Front end is a Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2013, and coding language is a C# and back end is a SQL Server 2012. In a future concept, it has become popular recently due to the several advantages over the traditional computing models. Typically, advantages include the flexibility and scalability, agility, energy efficiency, and cost saving. In future algorithm is a SHA algorithm. It is a function that converts a data string into the numeric string out of fixed length. The out of string is generally much smaller than a original data. It is designed to be the collision resistant, meaning that there are the very low probability that the same string would be created for the different data. In advantage of the system is the more efficient compared to the identity based encryption. It's another one is a protect of your user the privacy authority. Thank you for watching.